APOG removes oil-based paint, varnish and lacquers, nail polish and other cosmetics, adhesives, polishes, inks, heavy grease, oils, wax, and tar. For this video demonstration, we will be working on oil-based paint. Here are some important facts to know before beginning. APOG is designed for use in perchloroethylene solvent systems, but can be used in hydrocarbon systems. After use, it should be flushed with a volatile dry spotter like Picrin or PURO prior to recleaning. Items must be dry cleaned after using APOG. Dry side stain removal requires that no moisture be present during the process. Since APOG contains no water, the use of water or steam during stain removal may result in permanent color loss and/or spreading of the stain. It may be necessary to wipe down both the top and underside of the spotting board with Picrin or PURO after removing larger stains. Make sure venting or vacuum systems are on during any stain removal or rinsing procedures. Begin by applying Picrin or PURO directly to the stained area, positioning the garment over the vacuum section of the spotting board. If needed, gently work the area using a spotting brush or spatula to help loosen the stain, then reapply Picrin as necessary. If the stain spreads or begins to bleed, move the garment to the hard side of the board. Place a towel or blotter underneath or on top to absorb as much of the staining material as possible. Apply APOG to the stained area on the hard side of the board. Work the area with a spatula or tamp with a spotting brush. If the stain continues to bleed, repeat the process, rinse and reapply APOG as needed. Once the stain is fully removed, rinse the area thoroughly with Picrin or PURO, then dry clean the item promptly. Thank you for trusting us with your garments. We hope that this video has been helpful.
Please like and subscribe to follow us for more Streets Academy videos.